And now listen to the roar of the crowd as the gap opens up. TOO-EE MAMBA! Aminiasi, TOO-EE MAMBA. 8 tries in Hamilton. He's got one here in Sydney.
And this is the man that can work some magic. Meli Derenalagi, now they break out. Derenalagi breaks through, Meli chases. Can't hold him. And TOO-EE MAMBA to the corner. TOO-EE MAMBA put Fiji back in front. Throws the dummy and then the ball over the top to TOO-EE MAMBA. Stepping off the right, TOO-EE MAMBA.
TOO-EE MAMBA. Over the path they go, now the delayed switch out of the back of the head from Bakun and Billy. Nicholson giving chase, Nicholson won't get there, and it is the tornado itself.
No! Talk about a flyer! TOO-EE MAMBA, he can tackle, he can try! Work it to the side through TOO-EE MAMBA, who just goes right on by. The flashy number 11. Over it goes to TOO-EE MAMBA. TOO-EE MAMBA's going to stab it ahead for himself. TOO-EE MAMBA. TOO-EE MAMBA. A star is born in Dubai.
Can't put him down, and he gets into the backfield. First good body home for the Aussies. And away goes TOO-EE MAMBA for Fiji.
Fiji hop to an attack. Across the top it comes to this promising youngster who gets a chance to wind up. It is TOO-EE MAMBA.
Revelation he's been for Fiji. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better. TOO-EE MAMBA. TOO-EE MAMBA takes off the handbrake. Remember my number, because you ain't going to remember my face. Fiji on the ball.
Ripping it away. Mothanathangi kicks through the line. Is he going to have enough? Conroy's going after Mothanathangi. Mothanathangi, one-hand ball, back in field for TOO-EE MAMBA.
And New Zealand wants to Spain of all people in their pool, but now look at this stuff. Just showing again the importance of the kickoff. 2 tries in 30 seconds. Aminiasi, TOO-EE MAMBA.
Kicked out and taken away by TOO-EE MAMBA. TOO-EE MAMBA, the tornado! In he goes for Fiji's front. Oh, terrific skills again. This time it's TOO-EE MAMBA.
All space, all time, just takes a bit of time, and here's TOO-EE MAMBA looking for another one, decides to bump and run. Oh, sits up. Tackle's made though. TOO-EE MAMBA goes again. And has the wherewithal to flick it out the back.
Yeah, they offload to the left side, coming across Davis. Can't make the tackle. One more defender. Get out of my way. What a play. TOO-EE
MAMBA. TOO-EE MAMBA steps, breaks the tackle. TOO-EE MAMBA, he's quick.
From the Fijians, always looking to keep the ball alive, straightening and straight through. TOO-EE MAMBA will get over for the second.
Derenalagi. And then TOO-EE MAMBA. Oh, beautiful offload, terrific pick up by Meli Derenalagi. There's another one for the flying Fijians. In the corner from Derenalagi to TOO-EE, and now the bump and run and pass from TOO-EE MAMBA back to Nathunga, who's there with him.
Here in Las Vegas.
TPC. Man on board, solid defense has gone backwards.
Good ball away for Dixon, and he's wrapped up.
Cannot give the little magician any room whatsoever. Long bottom coming in there, and it's play on, and there's another one. And that's it, TOO-EE MAMBA.
Dixon straightens, Dixon towards the sticks, he's rocked in a big shot by TOO-EE MAMBA.
It's a wide from Baker quickly, he lines up his man to the outside, that's excellent cover there.
From Thomason and Hughes, here they come again, TOO-EE MAMBA with a blocking shot.
Oh, that is brilliant defense. The turnover stands. Rory and smashed.
Knock on from Green. Now, slide across the park. Right Great tackle from Tuimaba.
The slide defence is good from South Africa. Look at Clock over the top.
Delivers it out to Goodchild and then Dyer, and he's hammered.
On attack, but it's the defensive effort. Look at that great technique by Tuimaba.
Blindside goes Smith with the cutback. Smith, you're gonna get some help. He's in close and a whistle.
Forces him back. That's not down. His arms underneath the there, still not down for mine, and he gets his foot under. I can't see anywhere where that ball's touched the turf.
Whoa! Sit down.
Eroni Sau takes him on himself. Beautiful basketball pass up the outside. He gets it back in. It's skills aplenty.
Grabbing one of the Fijians around the neck. And so Fiji, defender's brilliant. Away he goes. Aminiasi, Tuimaba.
Tuimaba. He's there.
Gets in. Tuimaba! So his Wapi races back. Stunning tackle, but the support runners are there. Levi.
Can't do that on the late switch for Tuimaba. Tuimaba beats one, beats two. Tuimaba is over the top, goes to Tuimaba. Tuimaba gets a chance to open up. Tuimaba put down 20 away, pops it off the deck. It's still alive.
Offload and tackle. And now the burst coming from that Pulu.
Two wide turns the corner, plays on the inside, gives it to Tuimaba. Stepping, unstoppable.
Ripped away by Fiji. They look out, here they come. Tuimaba striding away. Well, this kid's been brilliant all weekend. And he gets Fiji's third.
I mean, at 9 o'clock this morning, this place was rocking.
Oh, this guy got rocked. Luke McCloskey just got rocked.
Here they come again, changing the line. Perfect rugby geometry from Fiji. And it's once again the perfect finish from Filimoni Umpuchito. The 20-year-old in the right place at the right time again.
Beautiful pass, the spiral pass. That's a Tuimaba. Tuimaba on Weir. Beats Weir. Holds him up. That ball's incredible. But Billy scores for Fiji and they go coast to coast again.